Hello everyone and welcome to not a tarot reading. It is a video that I decided to make because I literally couldn't find it anywhere on the internet or on YouTube and I had to figure this shit out myself. So, how to burn ground / powdered / dried sage, whatever. Like this, this is what we're trying to burn. Okay, so I decided to get this because right now I'm carless, so I can't go to my usual health food stores or places that would buy, or have the big sticks of white sage. So I decided to figure out how can I do these things but minus the, big old sage branch, whatever the fuck you call it, like the stick, I don't know. Anyway, so I went and bought this ground sage after scouring the internet on how to do so. All I got was answers that, yes, you can burn the ground sage, but apparently it's extremely moist and will have trouble staying lit, so people don't even try. Newsflash, I don't have a problem staying lit. So, how I'm gonna help you stay lit with this ground sage is you're gonna need a torch. I happen to have the Dawn Ed Hardy torch. This was a gift from many years ago, but it still works. So you'll need that, and you'll just need this powdered ground sage, and it is preferable, I've done some research, that you need something that is meant to hold heat. You might want to actually get like a little shell that you would burn dried incense in, or dried herbs, whatever. I actually have this little cauldron here. It's so cute. So I have this cauldron, but I don't burn it in the cauldron. I burn it on a glass plate first. So find yourself a glass plate, something that can withstand some heat. As you can see, I already have some residual sage, but I'm going to add more because we need more. There's never enough sage. I will say this is more like emergency saging. I still recommend getting the actual bundle of white dried sage, but in case you can't or there's none, go to your local dollar store or your local grocery store and find yourself some ground sage, and I'm gonna show you how to utilize it. So we do that. You want to make it as mountainous as you can. You don't want to use too much, but like honestly, there's like a shit ton in there. Oh my god, I just spilled it all over me. Alright, well. Fuck. At least I smell like sage. I don't care. Oh my god. I'm over here upset and like, Now that we got our sage in a mountain like that, you want to get your torch, specifically a torch. I should have said that in the beginning. And then you want to just burn away. Let's see if I can get this on camera. All right, ready? See that? And you want to burn it until it starts getting black. It starts creating an ember. All right. And then you just want to blow it like that. Oh my god, look at that plume. And it does smell like sage. It does smell like sage. But again, the actual plant matter, the actual leaves are better to burn. And then I like to get all fancy and use this cinnamon stick broom. And I'll just use that to, ceremoniously waft the sage smoke around, because I'm just a bougie witch person. And that's kind of it. You don't want to leave the sage in the glass for too long because it will start to burn the glass, and I don't know if this is safe to have, you know, constant heat like that because it may crack. So what I like to do is once I get like the nice aromatic smoke and shit like that I like, I'll go and dump it in this little cauldron, but I have to do it strategically. Sorry this video is all ridiculous and disorganized. I'm not a YouTuber. I guess you can see. Can you? All right. So this is the cauldron. I'm just gonna look at what I'm doing so I don't burn myself, and hopefully you'll see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna move the ember in, and then it'll just burn everything else that's in there. You can move it around. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. So if you thought that this video was helpful and you found a new way to burn sage when you're struggling out here, feel free to give me a like, comment, and subscribe for more random videos, or suggest things for me to do. Also, I do tarot readings, so if you're into that, subscribe for that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.